Hello, my name is Stephen Golis, the preferred contractor for Barbara Burns at 9405 Pinewood Avenue, Baltimore, Maryland, 21206. Today we're going to do a repair test on these shingles to test the pliability. I'm going to start by removing our damaged shingle right here, taking out the nails and putting a new one in.
Some planks.
Alright, we have our old shingle removed. Shingle right here. Alright, we have our new shingle in. Now I'm just going to give a little dust to the top, just move away the floating granules. right. As we can see through our repair, we got some granule loss on this one, up here, this one, right up here, this one, and it looks like this one's not too bad, just a little bit minor at the top. This one seems perfectly fine. This one's okay as well. So in all, we had 5 more damaged shingles in the process. I'd say that this test is a fail. Thank you for your time.